What's up guys, welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. So glad to see you guys back here. Today I'm going to be talking about the one lens that as a photographer or videographer you must have. Oh. Yes guys, like I said, today I'm going to be talking about the one lens that as a photographer you must have. I'm talking about the 50mm lens. The first reason why you should buy this lens is because it is very cheap for the quality that you get from this lens. I mean, on Amazon right now it goes for $119.
What the Oh shit.
This is a very good lens for the price it has right now on Amazon or wherever you buy it. Now the second reason why you should have this lens is because it's very little. You can take it anywhere in your bag, and when you travel or you have a wedding shoot or whatever that you do not want to take a lot of gear with you, this is a very good lens to have with you because it's small and it gives you very good quality for its size. Another reason to have this lens is that it is perfect for low light situation. It has a very wide aperture. This one has an aperture of 1.8, so when you're gonna take a picture in low light situations, you can open the aperture as wide as possible and use a faster shutter speed so you won't get the handshake blur, and you can use a lower ISO so you won't get that much noise in your photos. This lens will also make your photos seem more professional. If you open the aperture very wide, up to 1.8 like this one, you will get a blurred background. So you will separate your foreground from your background or your subject from your background. This will make your photo look more professional and your subject more interesting. If you use a lens with a higher aperture, you won't get that beautiful background blur as this lens. Last but not least, another reason to have this lens is that when you take pictures at night or in low light situations and you have beautiful lights in the background, if you take a photo of your subject with beautiful light in the background and you open the aperture way wide, you will get that crisp, beautiful bokeh with this lens. I mean, if I haven't convinced you yet to buy this lens, I don't know what will. I mean, it is small, it is lightweight, it is cheap. I mean, you get good quality from this small lens. You can open the aperture way wide to get blurred backgrounds and sharp foregrounds. You get beautiful bokeh with this lens. You can use lower ISOs in low light situations so you will get less noise in your photos. I mean, guys, come on, this is a very good lens, or any other 50mm lens is a very solid investment. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed yet another video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below which is your favorite lens, or if you have this lens, or give me another reason if you know another reason why a photographer should have this lens. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook and Twitter, those are in the description down here, and I'll see you guys next week in the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye guys!